Hey, this is Garrett from Simple Ducks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate your way around the ECS website in order for you to upload your details to obtain your ECS labourer's card. Coming up right after this. Hey guys, welcome back. We are now on the ECS homepage at the moment. So if you want to type into your PC www.ecscard.org.uk, and that will take you to this page here. What we're going to do is we're going to log in and we're going to create a new user. So we need to create a new user account on this. So as I complete the details, I'm just going to pause this for 1 second. So we've created our details here. We need to put an email address, a valid email address of which you'll be able to be contacted on, your national insurance number, date of birth, and we've just put a surname down here. We're now going to register these details. So it comes up with a red box down here and it says that we need to register as a new person onto the system, so we're going to click on that. I'm going to complete these details. I'll put this on a pause and I'll come back to you in just a second. Okay, so we've completed all the details on this particular page and we're going to save the details and register. Okay, the green box says that we've been sent an email, so we'll go and check those emails, which will contain a confirmation link. Click on that confirmation link and it'll bring us to a new page, but I'll go to that now and get that ready. Okay, I'm just in my emails here, and this is the email that's come through from My ECS account. So I'm going to click on this link here. It's going to take me through to where I need to be. So it now says that it's confirmed that the email is legit, and it's going to send me another email to generate a password. Okay, so I'll come back in 1 sec. Okay guys, so I've now got my my password on here, so I'm going to go to My ECS, this box here, click on here, and I'm going to put my password in there, and then I'm going to put my email address in here. For any of you guys that have gone past or already done this, then by all means fast forward. You don't need to stay on that, but hey, this now brings us to our dashboard on My ECS. It's what it looks like, and we now need to start navigating our way through it. So first of all, we go to apply for a new card, this little button here on My ECS cards. So we click on the green button, My ECS. There's some information here which will be beneficial for you to read. It'll tell you about the system and the wizard, or what they call a virtual assistant. But anyway, we go down here, we click on the terms and conditions of the scheme. We click on here, and then it brings us down to choose the type of card application you would like to start. We're going to go for I wish to apply for my first craft or related discipline card. Okay, and it brings us back to our dashboard here. You can see our unique number up at the top, and it's incomplete at the moment. And we'll start to go through this in a second. What I'd like to do first is to do our photograph, and you can see where we've got our profile picture here. We've got an upload button. Let's click on that and go and find a picture. So I've done one earlier. I've just blurred out this person's face on there. What we need to do is whatever photograph that you pick, you can move it around by just left click and holding down. And what we're trying to do is to get this photograph near enough dead center into this oval here, and you'll see some dotted lines here, a thin line around here. That's a safe area. We want to try and centralize it in there, and then once we're happy with that, just finalize and upload now, and the system, there you go, that's then uploaded. Okay, so we've uploaded our photograph, and what you'll see is this red box here saying that they need the photograph verified. So click on the link, guys, and that will download a PDF document into your downloads folder. Let's just wait for that to happen. There we go. I'll just open this up and show you what it looks like. So it's a picture of you, and this is where the person who's going to verify you from one of these individuals down here, whether it be an employer, a union official, job centre, representative from your company, that sort of person, that needs to be signed, and then you need to scan that and get that ready to be uploaded onto the system. Okay, so we're going to presume that that's done, and then we're going to move on to the next section. Okay, so we're going to move on to the health and safety awareness section, which is this page, and we come down here and we just tick this box. I have a valid current exemption, and if you click the drop down menu, it's going to bring you to whatever exemption you've got for the labourer's card, and if you've been on a course with us, it'll be the Safety Passport Alliance S.P.A Course. You look at the date that we did that, and for this particular one I'm just using this date, but you need to use the date that's on your card as when you passed it. So remember, the card is valid for 3 years, so if you start it from then, 2018, and then we're going to go save exemption and upload evidence now. Okay, photograph there, so we're going to use the safety passport, so I've blanked out all the details, and just wait for this to upload. There we go, guys, that bit is uploaded, and I'll come back to you in the next section. So moving on to qualifications, occupations and grading. Rather than going next step, previous step, use your top bar to navigate your way through. So we're going to go qualifications, occupations and grading. So we've got this page here. We're going to click on add another, and it's asking us to put something in here. So we're just going to put labourer or LAB and then go to lookup and electrical labourer confirmation. So we're going to look at when this confirmation was done. So it's going to be the 28th of the 9th 2018. Save qualification and upload. So we're going to again upload the same qualification. Choose that one. Be good also to have all your documents at hand as well, ready, and then we're going to click on here and we're going to put, we mentioned earlier in the previous video that you need a reference, so we're going to look up for the reference on here, and we've got an employer's reference, site manager, control employer's reference from employer. Going to put what date that was on there, and I'm just keeping mine simple at the moment, just purely for the purpose of doing this. I've named this My ECS reference. Choose that, upload it, and we've got the reference down there. I think that's it on that. So we're going to go down to occupation definitions and grading, craft or related disciplines card type, and in here we're going to choose core electrical. See here, and then we're going to click on the green box. I want the core electrical card. Then next, select your main occupation, drop down menu again, and we're going to drop all the way to the bottom to the electrical labourer 2018. We click on this. And then we're going to click next step. Once you've clicked on the core electrical labourer 2018, it'll bring you up to grade. Change this, and we're going to choose here, I do not want to be graded. Click on that. It's going to give you some information here, but we need to choose I do not want grading. Okay, so that's that section done, and we are now on an amber on that side of things. Moving on, we can see that our documents and evidence is red and we're on amber here at the moment for some reason. I'll need to come back to that in a second to make sure that's clear for you guys. But let's move on to documents and evidence. And you can see that it gives us a list down here. So we've got photo endorsement form, your qualifications are here. We're going to click on the photo endorsement form and upload the evidence from there. So I've just labelled that this one. I've just signed it as if I was the employer, but Genesis would be your employer or one of these people down here that'd be signing this, as I've just said. Choose that, and that one's uploaded. We're gonna maybe go to next, preferences. So here that gives you some preferences. Read through these; they could be beneficial to you. You know, in terms of, you know, there's some, could you save some money on the tax man, in terms of the expenses that you incur. They could be beneficial for you to look at that. I'd click on this. The GIB incorporates your ECS card details, name, national insurance number, etc., etc. Have a read through that, and then we're going to go to finalize and review. So yeah, everything that we've done, we're back on our dashboard now. It's saying that everything is fine. We've uploaded everything. Our safety pass course certificates on there. Bearing in mind, guys, you've got that in less than 10 working days for doing the training through us. Your ECS photo endorsements there, confirmation, reference from an employer, safety pass alliance is all there in your documents and evidence section. So you're good to go. Move up onto this section, pay you £48 now, and that's going to then bring you over onto your payment section. Choose whichever way you're going to make your payment, whether it's going to be Visa, Master, whatever it is. It's going to be Visa for me. Then put in all your card details and make your payment, and that's it, guys. So I hope that this has been beneficial. If it has, please give us a like. You might want to share it with some of your colleagues, which I'm sure it will be beneficial for them as well. Okay, thanks for now. Cheers, guys. Thank you.